Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have I think this is the theme for the September BoxyCharm box. Again, I could be wrong. But anyways, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Nicolle Davis. Nicolle says, hey gorgeous, love you. Well, thank you, Nicolle. I love you too, and I really appreciate you having your bell set and getting that first comment in. And I'm so happy to have you a part of my family, and I love you so much. Alright guys, now stick around till the end when I read you the comment that I picked off my last video. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you might be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now guys, let's look at this theme, where I think is the theme. Anyways, for September, I believe the theme is going to be all access. This is what they uploaded to their Instagram. And now if you want to see any of the spoilers for BoxyCharm September or the BoxyLuxe, those will all be linked below if you want to go check them out, as well as BoxyCharm if you want to check them out. They're linked below as well. Now let's read the comment that I picked from that video. Congratulations, Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes says, thanks for always doing these videos. Well, Bright Eyes, thank you so much. You are so very welcome. I enjoy doing these, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos and leave a comment, and I love you so, so much. Now, again, guys, if y'all want to get that shout out, y'all better leave a comment on this video, and again, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And make sure you subscribe and join my family. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So get on down there and hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, if you would rate the video for me, give it a thumbs up. That thumbs down button, it quit working a long time ago, and I've been telling YouTube about it. But, you know, they're slow about fixing things. So just hit the thumbs up right there for me. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. If you would, go ahead and turn your notification bell on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss none of these spoilers. I feel like I got to apologize on YouTube's behalf, because they got you turning back flips and doing everything else in the world just to say, hey, I like this channel and I want to be part of it. So I apologize. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.